Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving on Highway 2000. This road is also known as the PJ Patterson Highway. It runs from Kingston to Maintennce. That section of the road is complete. However, the entire highway project involves building a highway from Kingston to Montego Bay. And currently you can drive from Kingston to Maintennce. Now the Maintennce to Mandeville leg is under construction and it should be finished early next year. And then the Mandeville to Montego Bay leg will be built after that. No timeline or the route of the town, or the road, has been decided on for the Mandeville to Montego Bay leg. But it will be done and it's just a matter of time. Okay, so Highway 2000 was a project to build highways across Jamaica to connect both international airports, the one in Kingston and the one in Montego Bay, and to also get persons to any major tourist attraction within 45 minutes. So all the major tourist attractions are in Ocho Rios, such as Dunn's River Falls, Mystic Mountain, Dolphin Cove. So that's why you have a leg of the highway going to Ocho Rios. And then to connect the Kingston airport to the Montego Bay airport, that's why you have a leg of the highway going from Kingston to Montego Bay. Now, this highway was recently opened. It was built and named Highway 2000. It was built by a French company. But the highway was built in pieces. You had Kingston to Sandy Bay, then Sandy Bay to Maintennce, and then now you have the Maintennce to Mandeville leg being built. So the Maintennce to Mandeville leg is going to cost US $188 million to build. It should be completed in March 2023, and it will run from the Maintennce roundabout to the Williamsfield roundabout. It involves 45 engineers. It's being built by China Harbour Engineering Company, which is a Chinese company. And it involves 48 engineers, 18 of which are Jamaican. And it involves 754 workers, 603 are Jamaican. And the new segment of the highway begins at the western end of the existing Maintennce roundabout. Now the Maintennce roundabout is where this road that we're driving on, the finished section actually you could say, ends. And then it will continue in a westerly direction across the Rio Mino. Now they've built a bridge, the Rio Mino Bridge, over that river for the highway to use. And NWA says it's going to be the widest bridge in Jamaica when completed. So we have taken a look at the bridge, we have videos up of the bridge, and persons have commented that that bridge is not the widest bridge in Jamaica. Some persons have said the Harbourview Bridge is wider and the Portmore Expressway Bridge is wider. However, you can take a look at the videos. We have a lot of videos up of the Rio Mino Bridge. You can search for largest bridge in Jamaica or widest bridge in Jamaica. Okay, so the highway will go across the Rio Mino Bridge, and the route continues in a westerly direction, passing south of the Bustamante Highway. Remember, this is a new leg, it hasn't been opened yet, but it's about 90% complete. And then it passed the highway, the new route of the highway now will pass south of Four Parts Community, Osborne Store, Tollgate, and Clarendon Park. Then heads into St. Tools and continues through hilly terrain. The existing Melrose Hill bypass will be incorporated into the highway. This happens all the time. Even the highway we're driving on now, they were building the Old Harbour bypass, and when they started construction of the highway, they incorporated that bypass into the PJ Patterson Highway. So the Melrose Hill bypass will be incorporated into the highway, and it will be upgraded from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, and it will be a 4-lane dual carriageway. So basically it's going to look just like the road that we have here. The road crosses the train lines and terminates east of the steel bridge in the vicinity of the Williamsfield roundabout. Now, a lot of persons have asked where this highway will end. but it's the Williamsfield roundabout. And then the highway will have 2 more toll plazas and an administrative building. So from Kingston to Maypen, we have 2 toll plazas. You have the Vineyards Toll Plaza, and then you have the Maypen Toll Plaza. And then from Maypen to Mandeville, you're going to have 2 more toll plazas. So to get from Kingston to Maypen, you're going to have to go through 4 toll plazas. And the work on this highway project will include provision of street lights for the ramps to enter and exit the highway, interchanges, the toll plaza area, safety fences, concrete median barricades, fiber optic facilities. It will have an emergency telephone system, and it will have closed circuit television systems. A new interchange will be built at Clarendon Park with a link road from the highway to the main road at a traffic signal controlled intersection. This is phase 1C of Highway 2000, which is being executed under the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Now remember, this is Highway 2000, but the funding, the money is coming through the Southern Coastal Highway Improvement Project. Not sure why they do it. It's a bit confusing. When you think of the Southern Coastal Highway Project, you think of the St. Thomas Highway. Okay, and the highway from Maypen to Mandeville or Williamsfield is 90% complete, and it falls under the portfolio of the National Road Operating and Construction Company, NROC. NROC oversees the project because it's a toll road, and they oversee all the toll roads in Jamaica. And basically the only toll roads are the Highway 2000 roads. You have a leg from Kingston to Portmore, then you have this road from Kingston to eventually Montego Bay, and then you have the road from Kingston to Ocho Rios. Those are the only toll roads in Jamaica. And NROC is the company that's in charge of the toll road, because some special agreements were made because, for example, the French company built this highway, but they were given a concession to collect toll on the highway for 35 years. The Chinese company built the highway from Kingston to Ocho Rios, and they were given a concession to collect toll on the highway for 50 years. And because of those concession agreements, that's how NROC comes into play. And basically, that's why NROC is in charge of this project. You also have the Toll Authority that was set up because they monitor the persons who operate the toll roads to make sure that it's being done properly. Okay, straight ahead now is the Vineyards Toll Plaza. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.